everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping in the dip powders from Nails Truly Co. and we're going to be creating a fall Victorian style mani, and we're going to add a really fun color blocking accent nail. Now color blocking is a really fun way to add any nail design to your mani, and you can add as many color blocks as you want. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and it's going to be really fun. Just know when you are color blocking, it can take a little bit more time than your normal mani just because you are adding that tape and removing the tape and all that good stuff. But everything you see in this video is going to be listed in that description box below. I like to use that 3M medical tape. I just feel like it adheres better to your nail, especially if you're doing the color blocking on your natural nail or over your enhancement. It just really sticks down nicely to the skin, so I really prefer that tape. So just know today, anytime you see me brushing off after we dip, I did cure that for 30 seconds in a UV nail lamp. It's just that we're going to be doing so much color blocking that I'm going to be in and out of that nail lamp. So I thought instead of having that pop up all the time every time I'm curing, just know with the gel method and anytime you see me brushing off that it is cured before I brush off. All right, so let's sit back and enjoy this mani process, and then I'm going to pop back in at the end.
Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Grandpa used to ask why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. So now I'm about to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. I don't need anyone else. I just wanna be for myself a while, nobody else. I just need myself, take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right, so we're just wrapping up the mani here. We're finishing up with that layer of gel base. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with a layer of gel top coat, and I'm going to finish up the rest of the top coat off camera. And I did cure for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I really like how it turned out. It's more of like an elegant fall mani. These colors for some reason are giving me like vintage autumn Victorian style, and I really like the colors. In that rose cloud, that middle nail there, I really like when I dipped it into the nail how organically like those medium-sized glitter pieces laid. You totally could have added more or shimmied that cupcake liner to make more of those bigger pieces rise up to the surface, but I really like how organically those glitters laid, and the color blocking was so much fun. It's kind of giving it like an abstract kind of like shapy art kind of vibe, but totally had so much fun with this mani. So I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we used in that description box below. Don't forget, we are in the middle of our 31 days of Halloween series, which drops at 7 p.m. Central Time every night, and there is a really fun giveaway tied to that series as well. So I hope you enjoyed this bonus upload, and I'll see you all in the next one.